I am Adrian and I've just done the course with Stop the Bleed. Yeah, I enjoyed this course. I'd definitely recommend it to anyone who's wanting to further their knowledge or learn new areas of safety.
So the actual practical, I was very surprised of how much pressure you've got to put on the tourniquet to stop the bleed. It was very realistic and gave me a very good insight in case the incident happened.
I thought the course was really well structured and very well delivered. I liked the practical aspects which followed the theory, the in-classroom theory, and I was particularly impressed by the use of very realistic props and models in Stop the Bleeding, where you actually were getting as close as possible to applying what we'd learnt in the real situation.
The materials used was fantastic. We had various sorts of tourniquets to practice with. They had a live sort of a setup where there was a natural bleed happening in respect to a model, and we had to, given time limit to stop the bleeding of that.